Hello,
Hello Ram,
I am fine.
where are you from?
Sonbhadra, UP. And you?
Yes, I'm from Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. What about you?
Hello guys, are you looking for an English speaking partner to talk to? So this video is for you guys because I am going to share you a English free English speaking talk app, and it's an unlimited app. On this app you can talk for unlimited time, and this app is very amazing guys, and it's like a free app, bro. It's a very free guys. So I tell you, I have been using this app for since 3 months. 3 months, and it's a very good, and I because I'm going to because I'm tell you with my experience, it's a very amazing guys. If you want to really want to speak in English, so you can use this app. So guys, this is the interface of this app, and uh, there is a many option on this app. If you want to talk, if you want to debate, so you can start debate. You can click on the start debate, and if you want to uh, quiz, so you can start quiz. And there are many option on this app. It is AI options. So if you want to use this, so if you want the AI version of this app, so you can go for subscription, but I am going to share you how to use this app in free. So there are many, and yes bro, and you can see the right corner of this app. I have been using this app for since 3 months. Just one day left, and after one day I have completed 90 days on this app. So use this app. So firstly start human talk, and there are many options. If you want to talk with female, so you can click, and you can unlock the unlock general gender filter. It's a unlock unlimited access, because it's a cost, it's a very costly. So if you want to speak, so you can click on the any. Okay, so start searching.
गाइस, आवाज़ नहीं आएगी ऐप के परमिशन के कारण। आपको नाम भी बताने जा रहा हूँ मैं।
Hello Ram, how are you?
Hello,
Hello Ram,
I am fine.
where are you from?
Sonbhadra, UP. And you?
Yes, I am from Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. What about you? What's your name?
Uh, Ram Kumar Tekam.
Okay, okay.
Uh, Presently a job profession, a social worker.
Mm-hmm.
And you?
I am a college student.